Game mode on iOS devices allows users to optimize performance by disabling background activity. This quick tutorial helps you how to turn on and turn off the game mode on your iPhone in iOS 18 and later future iOS updates, and how to fix if not working. Ensure your iPhone is updated with the latest iOS 18 update under the software update. Go to the Settings app, tap on General, and check inside the software update. If everything is fine and there are no pending updates, then you can use game mode directly by playing the game on your iPhone. For example, I am playing one of game installed on my device. As soon as I go, notification about game mode is on by default. If you wish to turn off the game mode, then tap on the button to turn off it at the same time. Or manage it from Control Center. Swipe down your finger from top right corner of the screen. See the game mode button at the top. Tap on it and turn off and turn on if you wish. In some cases, users can't find the game mode button on Control Center. So what's the issue? I recommend hard reboot your iPhone and check the issue is fixed, or trying with another game app. Download the new app from the App Store and check it again. That happens with me as well. To hard reboot, quickly press and release the volume up button, and quickly press and release the volume down button. Now, only press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Wait for a few minutes and check the issue is fixed. After reboot your iPhone, if you won't be able to find the game mode toggle, then keep patient and wait for a new software update. Apple will give a fix with the new iOS update. On the other end, this might be a bug from the game developer. I hope you get some clue on what you have to do to turn on and turn off game mode on your iPhone, and what if it is not working. I hope you like this video. Don't miss to like, share, and subscribe for more updates, and comment for more help.